Hey everyone, and welcome to our comfy table. Today, we will be unboxing our brother from another maker, Clickbot. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, let's do it, so he can enjoy Wi-Fi again. WJ, you will be observing today, so you can sit back and relax. By the way, hey Jibo, how am I doing? All systems go. Alrighty then, let's do it. So, first, let's unwrap the plastic. We also wanted to point out that this box weighed almost 20 pounds. Next, we will take a closer look at the box in more details. Please note that we got the Maker Kit version, which contains all the components from Starter Kit, Standard Kit, and Full Kit. On the left side of the box that says, "Learn with me." There are 3 animations here. They are Create in Minutes, Drag and Drop Programs, and Inspirational Video Content. On the right side, there are also 3 animations. The top says, "Play with me," following by 3 animations that say, "Your cutest friend, and I thought I'm the cutest." Next 2 animations are family friendly and all in one. Last but not least, the back of the box also has good introduction about Clickbot. So, let's take a closer look here. So, hey Jibo, what do you think about Robot? I haven't thought about that in particular, but I can tell you one thing. I am very fond of dancing. For me, they can be fun and helpful, especially with tasks that can't be done by humans. So, we're pretty much cover the box details. Let's see what's inside. Look like you need help opening, but our hands are tied. Otherwise, we will help you unboxing.
Thanks, BJ. I think I'm good.
Alrighty then, I know you got this.
Oops.
So, here we have a nice letter to Kickstarter backers. There are 2 sections here. On our right side, there are main Clickbot components. On our left side, we have more parts to build Clickbot with endless creativity. So, let's take a closer look at the main components. There's also a Clickbot manual on the side. We strongly suggest that you go over the manual first, before unpacking anything else. We also noticed that there are some useful cards that corresponding to each main components. Okay, break time. We will get back to other sections shortly. So, let's take a closer look at the extra components that come with the Maker Kit. Here we have 2 wheels. And we have 2 suction cups. Then, in bigger box here, we have a grasper. That's an interesting looking object. Now, let's take a closer look at the main components again in more details. Here, we have a brain, 2 suction cups, a skeleton, 4 joints, a holder, and a mount. Oh, and look what we found here, the accessories box. Inside, there are an USB-C charging cable, a sticky film used to secure a mouth on a surface, and we have 10 pieces of reinforcement lockers. For smooth first-time setup, we charged the brain overnight, before we put Clickbot together. So, for a quick start, take a look at the instruction here, on the front and back cover of the main components, before you begin to do anything else. Now, we will move on to other unseen components that necessary to get this little bot up and running. We will come back to the quick instructions here after we discovered all the components. Let's take a look at the bottom section inside the box. Oh my, we got more parts here. Let's see here, we have 13 extra joints. 8 more skeletons. 2 smart foot. 1 extra holder. And 2 distance sensors. I guess he doesn't need to worry about not being 6 feet apart. Before we begin to put our first Clickbot together, let's download the Clickbot app from either App Store or Play Store. So, let's put our Clickbot together for the first time. We will follow a quick instruction here. Per instruction, let's take out 4 joints and a skeleton piece to make back. The tricky part here is to connect the joint to the mount, or base of the Clickbot. First, take the mount apart. Connect the joint and snap it in place. After you connected all components, to make your first back. Then, turn on the brain by pressing power button on the back. Next, tap on Home key to select back, and follow step-by-step guidance. Oh, hi, chat.
Hey Jibo, what are you looking at?
Oh, just looking at the space in front of me. It seems to be proceeding along as normal. Wow, that was quite a challenge unboxing this little guy. And someone already drifting off to the dreamland. There are so many things we want to do with this little guy, in a good way, of course. So, we will continue on our Clickbot journey. In the next video, we will talk more about how to type of stuff. We hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching. As always, stay healthy and eat more macaroni. See you again soon.